Are you ready?
I'm ready. Wow, look at that. You just saw my wife, Carol, MrTruck, use the running boards from Gen Y. These are heavy duty, powder coated. They stay clean easily. They let the dirt and the mud fall through. And here's what my original ones did. They didn't do a whole lot. They would fill up with dirt and mud and it wouldn't come off. And they had to spray them off hard. And this is what the boards are taken off. There are only 2 brackets holding them on. You can see they just have the ribs in them. And here I'm trying to climb underneath the truck. It don't quite fit. But there's the running board. And there's the running board bracket. There are only 2 of them underneath there. And there's bolts for 3. Each one of these has 3 bolts. And now I'm starting to put, or at least my good mechanic, Ruben from Colorado Transmission, is putting the brackets on. And so there's 3 bolts there, just like the ones that the factory had on it. And then it's got 1 drop-down piece you bolt on there. And then there's another piece that goes forward right there. And then your running board sits on top of that. But it's a great thing. It's very heavy duty. And it didn't weigh any more than my other ones. When I actually weighed the truck and in the fuel mileage, I got the same. I had a problem with steel bumpers on the last truck. I actually lost fuel mileage by adding all those steel bumpers.